Welcome to the Curb Ramp Design 6 video. In this video, we're going to be building our cross-section alignment profile views and their existing ground profiles. So let's get started. So these cross-section lines that we created in the previous video all need a profile view. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the alignments that we set up. So we're just going to start here and we're going to move our way through the ramp. So we're going to select the begin construction line. We're going to come up here to the alignment specific tools. We're going to go to the Launchpad palette. We're going to hit surface profile. We're going to hit add to add that surface in. We're going to draw in profile view, and we're going to accept the parent alignment 1 to 1. We're going to hit next. We're going to hit next here. We're going to accept the station range. We're going to give ourselves that 20 feet we talked about in previous videos. We're going to hit next. We're going to go to change the label set to standard. We're going to hit create profile view, and then we're going to stack these along the bottom. We're not going to stack them. We're going to put them horizontally. So I'm going to put that one right here, and we're going to work our way this way. So I'm going to hit escape, and we're going to come and select the next one. And we're just going to do this real quick. So surface profile, add, draw in profile view. We're going to do this for each one. And remember to give yourself the 20 feet. Alignment or labels to standard. Okay. Create profile view. I'm going to snap to this end. I don't want them that close. So what I do is I hit this exterior box. I grab this grip, and I drag it over to the other side. So that gives me some room to put labels off to the side here and do the things that I need. So I'm going to hit escape, and then we're just going to work our way through. So we're going to hit the begin landline, surface profile. This is pretty repetitive, but it's got to be done. So 140 to 160, next. Labels to standard, okay. Next, create profile view. I'm going to drag that over here. Like I said, we're just working our way through here. Surface profile, add, draw in profile view. Next. Every 20 feet. Labels to standard, okay. Create profile view. Escape. And we got the EC, surface profile, add, draw in profile view. Next. Froze there for a second. Snap to that point, exterior box, drag it. And then we got the last one. End construction, surface profile, add, draw in profile view, next. Your 20 feet. Next. Labels to standard. Okay. Create profile view. Okay. So now we've got all of our Now we've got all of our cross-section alignments. We've got their profile views along the bottom in kind of the order that we see them, right? And then we have our longitudinal alignments in the order that we see them. So the one thing we haven't done is create our top of curb and the back of the curb profile views. So we're going to do that right now. I forgot to do that in the earlier video. So while we're at it, just for the course continuity, I'm going to go ahead and just stick those in there real quick. So this is the top of the retaining curb. So it's going to stack on top of the back of the sidewalk. Labels to standard. Create profile view. Oh, it froze. There it goes. So we're going to stick that up here. And we're going to move that up a little bit. And then we're going to do the back of the retaining curb. That. Surface profile. Labels to standard. Create profile view. There. Move that up. Okay, so now we truly have everything that we need to start designing. I think one thing we can look at here is, if you'll notice, the top of the curb and the retaining curb go a little past our end construction. So you could leave it like this, or you could fix it. We're just going to leave it for now, but it's doing it on both sides. So if you want it only to go to the end of construction, you can modify the alignment lines and do that. And it'll make your profiles a little bit cleaner, and I'll show you how to adjust for that either way, but we're going to talk about that in the next video. So in the next video, we're going to be actually adding our design profiles for each of these lines and modifying all the design profiles. That's a lengthy process. That's the hard part of this, and it's hard to explain. It's a process that you just have to work through. So we'll discuss that in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.